Now, I work for the WTO Trade Facilitation Agreement facility. The facility is funding this workshop, but we're working in very close cooperation with the CARICOM and OECS secretariats. The objective of the workshop is to enhance further understanding of the Trade Facilitation Agreement as a whole, but we're also having special focus on the provisions that the Caribbean countries have identified as being the most difficult for them to implement. Another important goal is to enhance border agency cooperation and to strengthen the work of the National Trade Facilitation Committees. So we invited representatives from each country, from the Customs, Ministry of Trade, the Agriculture, Plant, and Food Safety and Animal, as well as standards organizations and, of course, the private sector. And we're very pleased to have representatives from several of the donor members here that'll talk about their support programs, as well as our partners in the international organizations such as UNCTAD, World Bank, World Customs Organization, and ITC, and many of the regional organizations are here as well.